Alright guys, Smoking Bears here with you. Today's cook is hashtag peanut butter. It's a collab that Cooking with Corey started. I'm sure you guys know him. If you don't, check him out. Just follow the hashtag in the description and it'll take you to all the rest of the videos. I've seen some already today, and dude, there's some pretty good ones out there. And makes me think I should have went a little more outside the box. So we're going to try this out anyway, and something I was kicking around wanting to do. So let's get down here and look at our ingredients. First off, cheers everybody. All right. So I got some jalapeno peppers. Cut the tops off, split them in half, cord them, deveined them. And then I rinse them to get that capsaicin out of there so they're not so hot. Peanut butter cookie mix, just because I'm feeling pretty lazy today. Went fishing this morning and now I'm just kind of tired. Chocolate chips, bacon, oil, water, eggs. And I'm going to do a little something different with a little bit of the cluck rub from the shed. So let me get into mixing this up, and let me slide this aside. I'm going to rip this bag open. Well, take the old hickory, a nice little slice. Dump your peanut butter mix in there, your oil, your water, and an egg. You laugh, Bear. All right, and just give this a mixy mix.
Is that any word, Dad? Mixy mix?
Yes.
What's the definition? Mixing twice.
Mix until thoroughly mixed.
Gotcha.
Mixing until thoroughly mixed. I'm just gonna nod my head and say okay.
Please don't mind the peanut gallery.
Oh,
all right, so got that done, right? Looks up. Got it pretty well mixed in. Now what I'm going to do is I got a baking sheet. I got the oven heated up because, like I said, I'm feeling lazy. So I got a baking sheet lined with foil and a rack, cooling rack. Now what I'm going to do, actually I'm going to throw some of these chocolate chips in here. I don't know how much, just about that much. The batter's looking a little dry, but it'll be okay because it's going to heat up in the...
Add a little bit more water and another egg to it.
Nope, it's fine. It's going to be fine. Betty Crocker's instructions say to do it this way. Now, if these were not rinsed, I would be wearing a glove. But because I rinsed them, I'm going to just do it this way. And just stuff the pepper.
We're going to have some cooking.
Make sure you get some of these chocolate chips in here. Okay. Pack that in there. Grab you a slice of bacon. And completely wrap. Oops. Completely wrap it up. All right. Let's set it on your rack. I'm going to do the rest of these and then we'll be right back. All right, guys. So what I got here is got my peppers all wrapped. I'm going to spread some of this little awesome, or chicken awesome. It's a little sweet, so I think it'll complement. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of that on these. It's got a brown sugar base, so it's kind of a little sweeter than what I like for a chicken, but I think it'll play well with the peanut butter sweetness there. And, well, if not, then my bad. But what I also did is I took leftover bacon and leftover dough, put them in little muffin tins, and made whatever you want to call it.
Bacon wraps.
Bacon wrapped peanut butter cookie cups.
Yes.
Yes. All right. So I got the oven heated up to 350 because I was feeling lazy. So let me turn around, drop them in there, and I will set a timer so that way I can tell you how long it took. I'm just basically gonna run until these, I poke a toothpick in and they come out clean. All right, guys. So while those are cooking, I wanted to show the kids a little something I used to eat quite often in my teens when I was, you know, I'd come home from school and just started looking through the cupboards. And anyway, it's a sandwich, right? Plain white bread, nothing fancy, just plain white bread. Slap on some peanut butter. One side. I know the kids are like, what in the world?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Elvis like peanut butter banana sandwiches.
Yeah.
You
Okay.
know,
Banana. Okay,
people
good.
put burgers in there. I don't. So now I take jelly. Normally I like grape jelly, but Bear Cub wanted strawberry today. So strawberry jelly goes on the other side. Don't need a lot. Well, about that much. What was that? Tablespoon?
Something.
2. Have. Ooh, that's a strawberry. Okay. Yeah, she's gonna flip her lid.
Who?
You.
Yes.
I really
So-
think this tastes good.
Now, 2 slices of thick cut bologna. Right in between. Boom. Just like that.
Are you gonna cut it in half?
Yes.
Can you cut it in triangles so we all can try one?
Yes. So, you take your peanut butter knife. Because, you know, you didn't want to do a whole lot of dishes after I moved out. So you cut it in half. And then because Bear Cub wants triangles, we'll see if we can zoom in here.
Zoom.
And there you go. We'll do a,
I want to try this now.
see that? I know, most students probably are like, yuck.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, let me get my drink.
All right, Bear Cub. This is her first time trying this. Of course, I know what it tastes like because I like them.
Let me try this now.
Mm-mm. See?
Why is that good?
I'm telling you, man. Something simple. I used to raid the cupboard when I was in my teens, trying to find something to eat. And this was just what was available. Love it, man. Give it a try. It's Bear Cub approved. And your kids will love it. So let's get back and check on these, and we'll be back after the peppers come out. So here we are after 45 minutes. This is what we,
50 minutes.
45 to 50 minutes at 350. This is what we got. So had some blowouts. All right.
It makes them look like
Had some muffin tops, but that's okay. It's gonna be like a cookie then.
These ones remind me of like
So,
those torches. And
let me,
this movie.
The what?
And the movie with the guy who's blue. I mean, he's mad. His head goes.
So here's the cookie inside the bacon. Oh wow! All right, we'll be back for a taste test. That look good?
Yes, Daddy. Go ahead.
All right, guys. So here we are. Here is the finished product. Hopefully you guys can see that.
See? Yeah, let me zoom in. Just hold me.
How's that, Bear?
Oh, that looks great. Stop moving it. Now it's good.
Okay. Anyway, so what we've got, I already cut one of these, are bacon wrapped jalapeno with cookie, peanut butter cookie chocolate chip, sprinkled with the awesome chicken from the shed. Of course, there's no heat from the pepper because we cooked it all out. But you got the oil in there from the bacon fat, really, and with the peanut butter cookie, making it real nice and soft and mushy, where the outside is just nice and great. I'd call it a success. I don't know, I'd wake up and say, you know what, I have to have this again tomorrow, but pretty good trial. All right.
Now I'm gonna try that. Yeah.
So Bear Cub, here's one of our mini cupcake cookie blowouts.
That looks like a turkey. It looks like a turkey from this way, Dad.
Yep, the wrapped in bacon. It's a mini cupcake pan wrapped in bacon, and then filled with a peanut butter chocolate chip cookie ball. Again, the cookie dough absorbed all that bacon fat, keeping it nice and moist. A little too mushy, but when we tipped them, the toothpick came out fine. So, hey, the top part's a good cookie.
The bacon, the bacon, it's like that banana sandwich. It's like ghosty.
It works.
It's weird.
It's the sweet and the savory.
Because I bet if you went to your friend and be like, hey, try this bacon wrapped cookie thing. I'm like, are you feeling okay?
Yeah, she asked if I was on drugs earlier.
I did.
But anyway, so that's our hashtag peanut butter. Look it up. There's some other great recipes out there. Man, that's smoking bears. Fire it up, try something different, even if you cook it in the house. Get the kiddos involved and try something different, even if it's crazy. You never know if they'll like it. Our family barbecues together, stays together. Have a great day, everybody.
Bye.